Oscar, today's the day. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Keys, keys, keys. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. We have the 2012 Lamborghini Aventador. We got the Burlackers GT350, the Manuel Gallardo, the R8. We have news. I received an offer on the R8 for $55,000. What do you think? Should I take it, yes or no? Actually, if today's video can get 55,000 likes, 55,000, I will sell the R8 for 55 grand and I will replace it with a V12. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog and welcome back to another perfect day here in the beautiful state of Utah. So yesterday, my friend Mason turned 16 and today he is taking his driving test in my Lamborghini Aventador. OG subscribers will know this is not the first time we've done this. Back in September, my friend Matt took his driving test in a $4 million Bugatti Chiron. That car is worth 16 times more than the Aventador. However, there's one distinct difference. The Chiron was not my car, whereas this is my car. So that day I had nothing to lose, and today, well... For Mason's driving test, we need to make the Aventador 100% legal in the state of Utah. I'm thinking kind of sort of like so. Yeah? Yes, yes, yes. In the beautiful state of Utah, the student driver must pass a series of challenges to prove their aptitude as a new driver. One of those challenges is commonly referred to as the parallel park maneuver. And on that bombshell, I'd like to take a moment of silence for my brand new Brixton forged wheels because, well, yeah, moment of silence. No, no, no. Cycle, round two, baby. The last thing we want to have happen is to run out of fuel on the test. When I turned 16 years old, I took my driving test in a 95 Dodge Grand Caravan, and Mason is getting picked up from high school in a Lamborghini Aventador. There's the man, Mason himself, and it's got all the ladies for graduation. Are you kidding me? The smuggery, look at this, look at this. What? Excited you're driving, let's do this. How's it going? Good to see ya. What's up? Dude, looking good today. Brandon's graduating today. No way, Brandon is Mason's brother. Any words of wisdom for Mason?
Pray for the front splitter.
Yes, yes, and the Brixtons.
Oh, the Brixton forged.
The clout you're gonna gain today. I mean, check this out. All the senior girls are there getting their photos taken, and you're leaving in a Lamborghini Aventador. Also, none of them actually care. Mason is doing exactly what he should be doing. Adjusting the seat, adjusting the mirrors. Never doubt full send. Well, not quite full send, maybe like quarter send. At least until after the test, then full send, then full send. Oh, hello, Highway Patrol. Mason's normal daily driver is that Suzuki right there. We're talking about 100 horsepower. So the Aventador is a slight upgrade. We got a 6.5 liter V12, 700 horsepower, which should be more than adequate, I'd imagine, don't you think? Yeah, should be enough. I am probably the most annoying person possibly Mason could be with right now because I'm shouting at the camera talking to you guys and he's trying to focus and concentrate on his driving, which he's doing a great job at. So we are headed to the DMV that way in Draper, Utah. Dude, do you see that check engine light? Oh, hello.
Can I take a picture with you, please?
Sure, absolutely.
Thanks, my brother's gonna die.
Awesome, see ya. Okay, so anyways, yeah. Mason, there's a check engine light. What happened, dude? If you want to do a downshift and a fat pull through here, you can, but you don't have to. Look at that smug smile, are you kidding me? If you're new to the channel, the first rule of Aventador ownership is you always downshift under every underpass, no matter what. Whether you need to or not, you do it. Also, massive shout out to Frequency Intelligence Exhaust. That is the exhaust powering, well, not powering, that is, yeah, you know what I mean. We got 2 hands on the steering wheel at 3 and 9. We got laser focus, clear eyes, full hearts, can't lose. So we're headed to the Draper DMV, which is at this next exit. Mason's appointment is at 2:15. All right, this is happening. We've arrived to the Utah Department of Motor Vehicles. There's no turning back now. We've arrived to the Utah Department of Motor Vehicles. Low-key, like, now that Mason can't hear me, I'm a little bit nervous because obviously I want Mason to pass, but obviously I don't want to wreck the Aventador. So here we go. FYI, I told Mason to leave the front end lift up the entire time because the last thing we want to do, yeah, anyways, also the front plate looks so ridiculous, but hey, we gotta stay legal. Today's video is not a DMV sanctioned event. Basically, they don't really know that we're arriving at an Aventador, they don't know that we're filming, and they don't really need to know either. So yeah, we got a GoPro. We're situated back here between the seats. We have this elusive secret GoPro that's gonna film the actual test, because remember, this is not a DMV sponsored event per se. Well, not even per se, it isn't. How you feeling, dude?
It's time.
Confident, ready to roll?
It's done.
You sure you don't wanna go turn back? You good?
Let's do it.
Dude, it's 6.5 liter V12, you're good.
Yeah,
he's good, right?
What's up, man?
What's up, dude?
Hey,
How's
bro,
it going?
what's your videos?
Mason is inside, like, filling out a bunch of paperwork. When I was 15 years old and I took my driving test, I drove a 1995 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. It was white, had like the blue cloth interior. We did a Hemi swap. I'm just kidding, we didn't do a Hemi swap. I wish we would have. It had hubcaps. It was super nice. And he's driving a 700 horsepower Lamborghini Aventador. I am slightly jealous. In the comments below, let me know, what car did you drive in your driving test? If you're not quite of age, what car do you want to drive in a driving test? I think I would drive a Koenigsegg. Yeah, Koenigsegg. Mason is somewhere inside with his instructor. I'm pulling up, so the Xterra is in first spot, and we're in second spot. I gotta bounce, obviously the camera, we gotta lose it. The Aventador is right there. Mason's gonna start his test soon. We're gonna hop in the F-Pace, and we're gonna kind of sort of follow him. Kind of, sort of.
Let you know that this car, it's kind of low to the ground. So when we
I can see that.
yeah, when we turn out of places like this parking lot, here, right here is the front end lift, and I might need to put that up because I don't want to scratch it.
That's fine, that's fine.
Right, and I also might need to take my time and just take it out there.
Okay, I'm understanding that. Okay, so now, before we go, show me your right head check. Show me your left head check. Okay, partner, every time, and I mean every time you signal, you have to do your head checks.
Alright.
Okay? Both hands on the wheel, keep your head in the game. I won't answer a lot of questions, I won't talk to you a lot, because I do not want the distraction. This is important to you.
Yes.
I want you to do your best. So I'll just tell you where to go. I want to do these little maneuvers, and then we should be back in about 15 minutes or so. Okay, any questions before we go?
No, sounds good.
Let's go around this vehicle and let's go down straight, keep going straight and go to the other end.
Let's get it, Mason. Never doubt full send. I didn't show him how to use launch control.
I'm going to have you back up. Back up straight line, I'll tell you when to stop. Back up like I instructed you, okay? Okay, good enough. What we do, uphill parking. Side of the road, stop the vehicle. Show me uphill parking.
Okay, so to the left, and that's that emergency and parking brake.
Okay, well, safe and clear. Let's continue up the hill. You make a U-turn in this intersection.
Yes.
He's back. Good news, the car appears to be in one piece, but he still has to do the parallel park maneuver. Do you see the cone there and the cone there? So Mason has to get that Aventador between those cones.
out of here. This.
Oh yeah, I'll show you. So look, do you see this here?
Yeah.
That little one, push that in, and then pull up and use your other arm to lift the door.
Okay.
Yeah, like
Thank
that.
you. No, he's okay. He stayed at the red light for a long time. You know, you can turn right on red.
Yeah, I thought.
And then when he pulled out of the trailer parking, he didn't signal or check. Make sure it was safe to go out.
Yeah, you got to treat it like a real road, right? Which he warned you about.
Yeah.
It could be misleading. The problem is we can't take you out there for an hour or two and see if you'll do all that. So it's like
Simulate everything, right?
Yeah, everything has to be compressed. So,
Mason is talking to his instructor right now. We don't know if he passed. We think he did, but we actually have absolutely no idea. But come on. We don't know where Mason is. We don't know if he passed, but the car is in 100% good shape. So that's our first goal, and now we just hope and pray. Yes. Dude, congratulations. That a baby, yes. How was it? Nice. You did it, dude.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
I feel
You ready
great.
to use launch control?
What?
Launch control.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna do launch. Is that okay, Dad?
Absolutely.
Launch control? We're not actually gonna do launch control. We're gonna keep it under 55, right?
Yeah.
All right, dude. Yes, congratulations, man. So sick. Mason's gonna go tell his mom the good news.
Oh my god!
Survived.
The car
We did it.
Yeah.
Yes, the car survived. You passed. Good day, strong day. Amazing food vlog at Smash Burger, but we gotta say bye to Mason. Dude, congratulations.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, look to see you out on the road soon.
Yeah.
Cool, see you, man.
See ya.
I was quite stressed with Mason driving the Aventador, but we have officially made it home. I put a front plate on the Aventador because in the state of Utah, front plates are required. The last thing I wanted to have happen is go to the DMV, the instructor see the car, say it's not legal because it didn't have a front plate, and then Mason not be allowed to drive the Aventador. So it has been removed. Anyways, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.